This trip was awesome. Simple. Awesome. Winter, meeting new people, and nice view. What else to ask for? Basically, I met up with somebody I follow on Instagram. His Instagram name is Outdoor Andy. If I remember well, if it's not the reverse way, but I will put it there, just there. We basically met one time on trail before. He was there a few hours, and we just exchanged Instagram, and that's all. I was looking for what I wanted to do this weekend, where I wanted to go, and there was snow, so I wanted something cool. And then I had the idea, I'm gonna invite somebody to come with me and have like some kind of overnight, in the snow in the forest. And I thought of him, so I texted him, and in like 10 minutes told me, okay, good, let's do that. And we just did that, like just a few hours after I was over there. We went off trail, set up camp. I learned more about how to use an axe, so that's good. I really like it. And I could also test my gears, like kind of like more how my gear work together. My tents, shelters, everything. Even the solar panel. I brought up the solar panel, even though I don't need it. I brought it up because I wanted to test it. How I handle it with glove. How do I fix it during the night? All this kind of question that I don't want to discover when I really need it. I want to be ready for it. And it was cold, so I just wanted to see if it will work still when it was cold. Spoiler alert, it worked. And we had like a really cool night. It was like this kind of like deep forest with a layer of snow. It was just perfect. Then the next day, we went through Vedema hiking area, like off trail, on trail, off trail, on trail. I really like how snow can change the whole vision of things. Everything become white, everything become beautiful. Kind of I love it, but like you will put sunshine in 30 degrees and I will forget it. I don't like it. But you will put minus, I don't know, maybe it was -3 or something like that. -3 and snow. Best place ever. Then we just put down ourselves like in front of the lake, took some shots, and then we went back. That was all. It was awesome. And I hope to meet more and more people like that. I mean, this guy is just awesome. So definitely follow him on Instagram. And it's cool to meet new people. It's really cool.